Hello, we hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to Sanford's Software and Internet Monthly Market Report for January 2025. As usual, we are going to be reviewing the previous month's M&A and venture capital activity across the entire US and Canadian landscape. So, let's first dive in on the M&A front. The month of January saw $10.5 billion invested across 150 transactions, starting the year off with a median revenue multiple of 6.2 times across all transactions. Compared to December, there was an increase to both deal value and deal volume. Some notable transactions include Smartsheet being acquired by Blackstone and Vista Equity Partners for $8.4 billion, Evolution IQ being acquired for $730 million, and M-Particle being acquired for $300 million. Based off just the first month of activity, 2025 is expected to see $126.4 billion invested across 1,788 transactions. This would mark an 18.3% decrease and 16.5% increase respectively. However, it is still very early into the year. Now, we'll move on to revenue multiples in the M&A environment. January saw an increase in revenue multiples, trading within a tight window as well. Revenue multiples are a valuable insight into the state of the M&A market and will be monitored closely this year. When we compare SaaS to non-SaaS revenue multiples, we saw the gap between the two widen out in January to start the year, looking more in line with historical performance compared to the tight window they traded in 2024. This relationship will be monitored closely, and additional disclosures will provide more insight into market conditions. As predicted during last month's video, deal volume recovered from the holiday break, increasing month over month and surging past the last 12-month average of 120. It will be interesting to monitor if deal activity can stay at these elevated levels through Q1 of 2025. That's all on the M&A front. As usual, we'll now move over to the VC activity for January. The month of January saw a total of $7.6 billion invested across 436 transactions and a median deal size of $3.2 million. Compared to the prior month, there was a decrease in deal value, but an increase in deal volume. Some of the largest VC deals in January includes Infinite Reality raising $3 billion, Anthropic raising $1 billion, and Sigma Computing raising $264 million. The 436 deals in January remain below the last 12-month average of 535, but marked an increase compared to the prior month. Early-stage financings drove the growth this month, as both mid and late-stage financings were down. Based off of the activity within January, 2025 annualized is projected to see a decrease in both deal value and deal volume. However, additional months will be needed to provide an accurate forecast for the remainder of 2025. As usual, we'll finish out this month's video by looking at VC valuations by stage. The month of January saw limited disclosures regarding medium stage multiples. Early stage multiples saw a decline, however late stage multiples increased. Like deal value and deal volume, additional disclosures will be needed to provide accurate depiction of the 2025 landscape. Thanks for watching this month's video. If you have any questions regarding M&A or the VC landscape in North America, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.